This video will show you how to upgrade the firmware on your Phantom 4 Plus's remote controller with a micro SD card. Visit the Phantom 4 Pro page on the official DJI website and download the latest Phantom 4 Pro Plus remote controller firmware update package. Copy the extracted bin file to the root directory of the micro SD card. Insert the SD card into the SD card slot on the Phantom 4 Pro Plus remote controller. Turn on the remote controller. Select System Settings, About Device, and then System Updates. Tap Local Update in the top right corner. The version of the firmware on the SD card will be displayed. Tap Update to start updating. After updating, the remote controller will restart automatically and install the update. Please wait patiently until installation is complete. Do not turn off the remote controller or remove the micro SD card during installation. Thank you for watching.